In this question we have to find the equations of the line which passes through the point 3 and 4 and the sum of its intercept on the axis is 14. Okay, this line is passing through the P3, 4 and let's say this line is AB and it is A is where it is intersecting the y-axis and B is the point where it is intersecting the x-axis. So as A will have the coordinate 0k because x will be 0 for the y-axis and this will be h0, isn't it? Now we have been given that the find the equation of the line and the sum of its intercept on the axis is 14. So this is h and this is k, isn't it? So it is given that h plus k equals to 14 because intercept is h and k only. H plus k is 14 and we need another equation in h and k in order to find the value of hk. So now we will try to find out the equation of line passing through point P34. Okay, we know that the equation of a line passing through a point x1 y1 is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Okay, so our y1 is 4, m is not known, x minus x1 is 3. Okay, so in this way we got the point y minus 4x, sorry this is not 4x, this is mx, this is mx minus 3m, isn't it? And if we simplify this, this would look like mx minus y plus 4 minus 3m equals to 0. Now this line would be satisfied by both the point A and B. So we will satisfy this line by both the points. So if we satisfy this line by both the points, let's say first we satisfy it with h and 0. Put instead of x h and in place of y put 0. So this will become mh minus 0 plus 4 minus 3m, okay, equals to 0. And now we will satisfy this point with point 0 k, isn't it? Put x equals to 0 and y equals to k. So it would become minus k plus 4 minus 3m, isn't it? Equals to 0. Now let's take m common. If we take m common, it would become h minus 3 equals to plus 4 equals to 0. This will become m equals to 4 upon 3 minus h, isn't it? If m is 4, 3 minus h. Now we would put m equals to 4 minus. Now we would put this m equals to 4 upon 3 minus h into this equation in order to find the relation between another relation between h and k. So it would be minus k plus 4 minus 3m, 3 into 4, 3 minus h, isn't it? Equals to 0. Okay, now we have this equation in the form of h and k. So it would look like minus k plus 4 minus 12 upon 3 minus h equals to 0. 4 minus k equals to 12 upon 3 minus h. Okay, now if we simplify this equation, we will get the simple equation that will be 4h plus 3k equals to kh, isn't it? And from the first equation we got h plus k equals to 14. H plus k equals to 14. Now we have another equation that is h plus k equals to 14. So we will substitute k equals to 14 minus h in this equation. If we substitute k equals to 14 minus h, it would reduce to h square minus 13h plus 42 equals to 0, isn't it? And if you solve this will be h square minus 6h minus 7h plus 42 equals to 0. This will be h into h minus 6 minus 7 into h minus 6. This would be 0. So h minus 6, h minus 7 equals to 0. Okay. So what we got? H equals to 6 and h equal 7. We know that h plus k is equal to 14 from the first equation. So when h equals to 6, k will be 8, and when h equals to 7, k will be 7, because sum of this h plus k should be 14. So we will get the two equation of lines. Okay, that will be, from here we will get the point, 6, 0 and 0, 8, and from here we will get 7, 0 and 0, 7, isn't it? Now we should find the equation of line from 2 points, which is very easy to find. Y minus y1, let's say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, then y minus y1, that is 0, y2 minus y1, y2 8 minus y1 0, x2 minus x1, x2 0 minus x1 6, x minus x1 is 6, and second equation will be y minus y1, let's say this is y1, m y2 minus y1 7 minus 0 upon x2 minus 0 minus x1 7 into x minus x1 is 7. So we got two equations.